こんにちは、皆さん。私のトピックは、季節の食べ物。Today I'm going to talk about seasonal food in Japan. People eat different food in different seasons. So I would like to introduce what you can eat during spring, summer, autumn, and winter. First, Haru, spring in Japan. Talking about spring in Japan, the first thing comes into my mind is sakura. 私は高校の春、友達と一緒に日本に来ました。あそこで桜を見ました。とても綺麗でした。As you can see here, sakura is really beautiful, and there are some sweets related to sakura. First, sakura mochi. I think this one is very famous. And as you can see here, although the color of the sakura mochi is pink, but it's actually made by sakura leaves. And also, dango. I think here, the pink dango is sakura flavor, and the white one should be original flavor, and the green one should be matcha flavor. And then, natsu, summer in Japan. So, talking about summer, our impression should be atsui. During the hot summer, we want to eat something cold. So, for example, during summer, there will be some matsuri in Japan, and you can see somebody selling kakikori in the matsuri. And also, if you go to beach, you can also buy kakikori. And another one is soft cream. I think it's something similar to ice cream. And my favorite flavor of ice cream should be matcha. The left side is matcha ice cream, and the right side is matcha parfait. And then, let's talk about aki, autumn in Japan. So, there's a scenario you may see in Japan during autumn, which is momichi. And there are some sweets related to momichi, just like we talked about sakura. Here is momichi manju. I searched on the internet, and there is some information said momichi manju is really famous in Hiroshima. So as you can see here, momichi manju is made in the shape of momichi. It's very cute. You can drink tea and eat momichi manju. And then, let's talk about fuyu, winter in Japan. So, think about winter. It's very cold, samui. And also, winter means New Year is coming. So some people might want to eat mochi during winter. But my favorite should be nabe. Nabe is hot. Atatakai. So during cold winter, nabe is a really good choice. Moreover, nabe is something you can share with others. And during New Year, people will like to get together with friends or family members. And it's really nice to share nabe together. So, I mainly talk about seasonal foods in Japan today. And ありがとうございました。